welding companies need DOT numbers? The answer is yes. There's a strong chance that any welding business needs to register an active DOT number. A Department of Transportation number will allow your company's welders to legally operate commercial vehicles and travel to job sites. Without this number, your business can face massive fines and penalties from the U.S. government. The DOT is strict about regulating commercial vehicles in all industries, and welding is not an exception. Most welders will need to have a DOT number affixed to each side of every commercial vehicle at all times. So, what type of commercial welding vehicle should have a DOT number? The number is for any vehicle with a gross weight above 10,001 pounds. But wait, that isn't all. A vehicle with a combined gross weight over 10,001 pounds must also have a registered number. Here's an example of how the combined weight policy works. Say that you drive a pickup truck to your welding site, and the pickup truck has a trailer attached to it that's all filled up with your welding equipment. If the truck and trailer's combined weight exceeds 10,001 pounds, you cannot operate the vehicle until you have a registered DOT number. Once again, failing to register a number can lead to big-time fines and penalties from the DOT and FMCSA, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. Well, here's some great news about DOT number registration. Your welding company does not have to spend the time and money registering with FMCSA. Instead, all you have to do is contact our third-party registration services. Within minutes, we can assess the unique vehicle registration numbers of your business and begin implementing cost-effective solutions. The process includes same-day service for receiving a brand new DOT number. Please give the FMCSAregistration.com team a call right away to get started. Our number is 866-477-0707. We look forward to registering your company's vehicles ASAP.